Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Home Colonic Kit is probably one of the most intriguing health tools you can explore from the comfort of your home. Today, we're diving deep into the world of colon hydrotherapy, exploring the ins and outs of Home Colonic Kits. We'll uncover what they are, how they work, and whether they might be the right fit for your wellness journey. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about this fascinating practice. Number 5. Smokitcen Enema Kit, 2L Bag. This enema kit is made with superior materials. The bag is crafted from imported premium rubber, and the hose is made of medical-grade silicone. It's designed for your comfort and safety. The kit includes a soft, comfortable, and reusable nozzle. The tips are flexible, non-toxic, BPA-free, and phthalate-free. It's easy to use and can be hung anywhere with the provided hooks. The kit features a yellow valve that allows you to control the water flow. This lets you adjust the speed for a safe, comfortable, and pleasant experience. You're in control. The kit includes a 2L enema bag, a 5.0 feet silicone hose, and 3 reusable tips. You can choose the tip that best suits your needs and preferences. It has everything you need. This kit is perfect for at-home colon cleansing. It's suitable for various enema types, including Garson therapy, coffee enemas, and water cleanses. It's a versatile tool for your wellness routine. What we like. This kit features a controlled water flow mechanism, allowing you to customize your experience. It's perfect if you're looking for a safe and comfortable cleanse. If you value control and a pleasant experience, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The kit is easy to use. The product is well made and the design is user-friendly. It works effectively and provides noticeable results. Number 4. Premium Stainless Steel Enema Kit. This premium stainless steel kit is built for your peace of mind. The rust-resistant bucket ensures long-lasting performance and reliable hygiene. It's an investment in your natural health, providing confidence in every cleansing session. Everything you need is included in this thoughtfully designed kit. It eliminates guesswork and ensures you have proper equipment from day one. This comprehensive set is ready to go, allowing you to begin your wellness journey with confidence. This kit is designed for flexibility, supporting both water and coffee protocols. It adapts to your preferred wellness routine, whether you're following structured programs or exploring personal cleansing practices. You have the freedom to customize your routine. The generous 6.75-foot silicone hose provides flexibility for stress-free positioning. No more awkward angles that create anxiety. This extra length allows you to find your most comfortable position, transforming the experience into a calm ritual. The smooth stainless interior and detachable components make cleaning simple and thorough. Every surface is accessible for proper hygiene maintenance. Quick, stress-free cleaning means it stays fresh and ready, supporting your long-term commitment to natural wellness. What we like. This kit is built with stainless steel, ensuring durability and hygiene. It's a complete wellness solution, offering everything you need in one package. If you are looking for a long-lasting and comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. This enema kit is a one thoughtfully designed engineering. Even the hook is covered to soften its metallic sound. A traveling bag is a very nice touch I did not expect to receive. Nor did I expect 2 sets of the tubes, so thank you. About the soft tube itself I could write a dissertation. The stopper is easy to turn on and off. The curve at the end of the tube makes it super ergonomic. Its material is pliable for sure, a high quality, and the segment which needs to be washed well is detachable. Number 3. Topquafocus Enema Bucket Kit, Colon Cleansing. This kit is designed for effective colon cleansing. It provides a safe and convenient way to detoxify. This kit is a great choice for both men and women. The bucket is fully transparent, with volume markings. You can easily monitor the liquid level. This feature ensures precise control during use. The enema bucket features a large opening. This design makes cleaning simple and thorough. Maintaining hygiene is effortless with this kit. It comes with various tips, including long and short nozzles. You also get disposable colon tubes. This variety gives you options for a comfortable experience. A dust cover is included to keep the contents clean. This feature protects the kit from dust and contaminants. It ensures the product's safety. The bucket is made of medical-grade, BPA-free pages. The hose is made of silicone. It's designed to meet American health standards, ensuring your safety. What we like. This kit features a fully transparent bucket with volume markings, allowing you to monitor the process easily. It also offers multiple tip options for a customized experience. If you like to have control and customization, you should consider this. What people say. You can control the flow of water really easily, and it's pretty comfortable and works. Probably the best kit I've used. I love that it's clean so you can see how much you've used during the process. Feels professional. Also, it's great that nothing can go back up the tube like with the standard red pouch type, and the extenders are great. This can easily be cleaned. It's clear and holds an adequate amount of water to cleanse with. Number 2. Purifvend Stainless Steel Enema Shower Kit. This shower enema kit is crafted from 304 stainless steel with durable brass and EPDM components. It's built to last and resist corrosion, with a polished chrome finish that looks great in any bathroom. The kit includes everything you need: a solid brass 3-way valve, a long stainless steel hose, multiple interchangeable heads, and a flow valve for pressure control. It even comes with a shower support. This shower enema easily connects to most standard shower systems. You don't need any tools, and the setup is quick, so you can start using it right away. Each stainless steel nozzle provides a smooth and gentle water flow. The high-quality materials ensure that it is sturdy, leak-resistant, and comfortable to use. Purifvend is committed to providing premium quality shower enemas. It is designed for performance, durability, and comfort. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, and our US-based team is always ready to help. What we like. This kit is made with premium quality materials and includes a complete shower setup. It's designed for easy installation, making it convenient for anyone. If you are looking for a simple and effective cleansing solution, it is perfect for you. What people say. Simple to hook up to our shower head, cleanup is a breeze. Works well. The quality is insanely high and you can tell the material is durable. Was easy to install. I love using it and love how good it is to store the other attachments. Number 1. Colon Enema Bag Kit with Silicone Hose. This enema bag kit is made of high-quality medical-grade silicone. It's odorless, BPA-free, and phthalate-free, designed to meet Australian and American health standards. This ensures a safe and effective experience. The kit includes a silicone enema bag, a 5-foot hose, 5 replaceable tips, and a metal hook. It's designed for comfortable and convenient use in your bathroom or bathtub. This makes performing enemas easier than ever. It features a non-return valve to prevent water backflow. The flow control clamp allows you to adjust the water flow. This ensures a safe and comfortable enema experience. This 2-quart enema kit provides a safe way to apply enemas at home. You can use it to relieve pain, constipation, cleanse your bowl, and improve your health. It's designed for easy, independent use. This colon cleanse kit is suitable for various enema types, including colon cleansing, coffee enemas, and water cleanses. It can also be used as a hot or cold water bag. It's a versatile tool for your health needs. What we like. This kit is made with high-quality silicone and features a controllable mechanism for a safe and comfortable experience. It's suitable for various types of enemas. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use kit, you should consider this. What people say. The opening in the top makes it easy to fill, hold during use and to clean. This unit is put together well and works perfect. The parts are quality and last. It's easy to use. Great quality and love how everything is sealed in its own package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.